This video contains helpful information on refugee claim hearings. More details and updates are available on our website, irb.gc.ca. The Immigration and Refugee Board of Canada, or IRB, is Canada's largest administrative tribunal. It is responsible for making well-reasoned decisions on immigration and refugee matters efficiently, fairly, and in accordance with the law. The Refugee Protection Division, or RPD, is a division of the IRB. The RPD is responsible for deciding who qualifies for refugee protection among the thousands of claimants who come to Canada each year. When you first ask for refugee protection, an officer from Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, or the Canada Border Services Agency, decides if you are eligible to make a refugee claim. If you are eligible, your claim is sent to the RPD. At the RPD, a decision maker is called a member. A member will decide if you qualify for refugee protection, and in that case, if you are a convention refugee or a person in need of protection. A convention refugee is a person who is outside their home country or the country they normally live in. They cannot return to their country due to a well-founded fear of being persecuted because of their race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or membership in a particular social group. A person in need of protection is a person in Canada who cannot return to their home country safely. If they return, they may face a danger of torture, a risk to their life, or a risk of cruel and unusual treatment or punishment. You are invited to watch the Refugee Protection Division video series for important information about your refugee claim. This series of 4 videos will answer important questions you may have as you start your refugee claim and prepare for your hearing with the RPD. We encourage you to watch all 4 videos in the series. Let's take a look at what each video is about. The first video is called How to Gather and Submit Evidence for Your Refugee Protection Claim. This video is a good place to start. It gives you an overview of the refugee claim process in Canada. In this video, you will learn about the different types of evidence you need to gather to support your claim and how to submit this evidence to the RPD. You will also learn about who can help you through the refugee claim process. The video also talks about the basis of claim form and why the form is important to your claim. The basis of claim form helps you explain who you are and why you are claiming refugee protection in Canada. It is very important that everything on your basis of claim form is complete, true, and correct, since this information helps the RPD member decide your refugee claim. The second video is called What You Need to Know Before You Attend Your Hearing. This video will help you prepare for your hearing with the RPD. The video explains how you will find out the date and time of your hearing. You will also learn more about who can help you through the hearing process. For example, you can hire a lawyer, an immigration consultant, a notary public or a paralegal as your counsel, or you can also have a family member or friend represent you. You can also represent yourself. You will also learn who else may be at your hearing aside from you, your counsel, and the RPD member, and why they are there. This can include the Minister's Counsel, an interpreter, a witness, and an observer. The video walks you through how a virtual hearing works and gives you helpful tips on how to prepare for your hearing. If you need a different type of hearing, like an in-person hearing at an IRB office, this video tells you how to make that request. The third video is called Your Refugee Protection Hearing. This video is all about your hearing day. It explains how your hearing will proceed and how questioning works. You will also learn about some of the legal issues that may be considered at your hearing. These can include issues like identity, credibility, state protection, and internal flight alternative. The video also explains how the RPD will let you know the member's decision on your claim and what steps you can take after you receive your decision. The fourth and final video is called Answering Your Questions About Refugee Claim Processes and Procedures. This video goes over important information about the refugee claim process and other RPD procedures. You will learn more about the basis of claim form, including due dates for submitting the form, instructions on how to update or add information to your basis of claim form, and details about how to send the form to the RPD. You will also learn about other important due dates relating to your claim and learn more about how to submit documents to the RPD. The video tells you what to do if you need more time to prepare and submit documents. By watching all 4 videos in this series, you will have a clear understanding of the refugee claim process and procedures and be better prepared for your hearing. And remember, if you have a refugee claim with the RPD, it is important to keep your contact information up to date. Write to the IRB if you move or if your contact information changes so that we can always reach you. For up-to-date information on the refugee claim process, go to IRB's website or call our toll-free number at 1-833-931-5121 for general inquiries. You can also scan the QR code on screen to visit our Contact Us page, where you will find information on where to submit documents and how to reach us if you have any questions.